All right. Well, we're going to finish up. What we're going to do here is I have two examples of solving equations. And we're going to use some fractional exponents and inverse operations of roots to help us do that. All right, well, right here we have 2x to the fourth equals 162. Well, we're going to solve this. And to do this, we're going to first try to isolate x. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. So we'll take 162 divided by 2. What we'll have is x to the fourth equals 81. Now from here, we're not going to solve for x. Now notice we have x to the fourth. Well, what is the inverse operation of x to the fourth? Well, hopefully you recall, if you forgot, you don't see my other tutorials, but the inverse operation is actually going to be the root to the fourth power. Oh, we're going to take that of both sides for 81. When we do that, remember the fourth, we're going to have to bring a plus and minus because we have two different values. Because whenever you have an even root, all right, an even root, you can have a positive and negative value, and we can go there. Now, what can we do here? Well, we can have, I think, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 equals 81. And negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 equals, negative 3 times equals 81. So I'm guessing that we're going to have plus or minus 3 is going to be our solution, which I'm pretty sure it is. And there you go. All right, awesome. Let's try another one. Here we have x minus 2 to the third equals 10. Well, notice that we have x to the third in parentheses, or x minus 2 in parentheses, and that's the third power. Well, we can't add 2 to the other side because we have to first get rid of this cube. Well, what is the inverse operation of a cube? Well, that is taking the root, okay? And we're going to take the cube root of 10. I do not know the cube root of 10. Put it in your calculator, but I'll just leave that the way it is. And now, after we take the cube root of 10, we have x equals, I'm going to add 2 to the other side. So we have the cube root of 10 plus 2. And that, my friends, is your solution. Yeah, it's really not that hard. All right. When you're solving these, solving equations using roots, remember, that's how you get rid of fourth roots, square roots, cubes, all right, seventh roots, and so on and so forth. Roots are the inverse operation of powers. And that's how we use them to solve equations. Well, hopefully this helps you out on some of your problems. Good luck and God bless on the rest of them.